Now the situation in Shanghai has gone from being bad to worse. New infections are breaking records. The city of 25 million has become the heart of China's biggest outbreak since the peak of the first virus wave in Wuhan over 2 years ago. Jeopardizing China's adherence to strict zero COVID policy, China has reported over 25,000 cases in the last 24 hours, with most of them being reported from China's financial hub, Shanghai. In a bid to contain the spread of the virus, 25 million residents have been locked in the city of Shanghai, further triggering frustration on social media over the difficulties of getting enough food amid China's stringent COVID-19 policy. Meanwhile, Shanghai is converting residential buildings into quarantine centers to house a mounting number of COVID-19 cases. But the move is sparking anger to protest amongst residents who are being forced to leave their apartments. In a video that was circulating on social media on Thursday, residents can be seen outside a compound shouting at rank officials who are holding shields labeled police. Some of them even scuffled with hazmat-suited police who were ordering them to surrender their homes to COVID-19 patients. Apart from this, officials are also forcing residents into state quarantine. This video on your screen shows officials dragging a man into a quarantine center where the conditions are appalling, to say the least. Visuals on your screen show hundreds of people crammed into COVID quarantine facilities and are separated by less than an arm's length. Some of them who tested positive can be seen sitting on their suitcases, others and other belongings that are strewn next to them. Beijing has vehemently been insisting on following the 2020 COVID playbook that relies on mass testing, quarantine and lockdowns. The approach has already hurt millions of people's lives, their business, and has sent scores into makeshift quarantine camps. WION is now available in your country. Download the app now. Get all the news on the move.